Hey guys, how are you all doing? Hope you're doing fine because I'm amazing too. So guys, I bought this Pampers grass, these ones, this cute Pampers grass at 60 Kenya shillings each. 60 Kenya shillings. Meaning, I bought these at 240. And I told myself like, I'm an economist, like, why should I not make my own at home? And I need more. These are few but hiyo pesa yote guy. So I decided let me make my own at home. And so on today's video I will be showing you how you can make this cute, gorgeous, good looking pampas grass at home, or feather like pampas grass at home. And so let's get right onto this video. And so for the materials, we will need these bamboo skewers, bamboos, or you can call it bamboo sticks, a piece of white yarn, a white tape, and this type of comb so as to comb the yarn. And also you'll need a pair of scissors. Yeah, it's that simple. Let's get right onto this. And so the first step, you are going to wrap the white tape around the bamboo skewer, or you can call it a bamboo stick. And actually, I later realized that it's not a must that you wrap it around, because whether you wrap it or not, it just looks good. So like you can omit the tape part, but if you have it well and good, you can use it. Yeah, next step, you're going to wrap the piece of yarn around your fingers, yeah, to any thickness that you want. Yeah, and actually this piece of yarn, imagine it's 60 bob, it's 60 shillings. Yeah, it's 60 shillings. And and from this one piece of yarn we can make lots of pampas grass. Yeah, we can make a lot. So let's be economical and save that extra coin. And so kindly subscribe down below. If you are a new member, you are welcome. Subscribe down below if you have not subscribed. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much. You keep me going, you motivate me. And next, you cut your pieces of yarn and arrange them this way. As you see, I've cut lots of them. And so now this next step, I don't know how well I can put it, but I hope you can see exactly what I'm doing. So you take your bamboo skewer, you place it there. Then you take two pieces of yarn that you've cut. One, you place it at the bottom. One, you place it at the bottom. And then another one, you take it and place it at the top, like exactly how I'm doing. I don't know how well I can explain this, but I hope you can see this, like how I'm doing it. You place it at the top, then you tie them together. You tie them together. And the next step, we are going to comb the yarn until it's super fluffy. You simply comb the yarn using this comb. And now using the scissors, we are going to cut the yarn into a feather like shape. Yeah, we're going to cut the yarn into a feather like shape. You can cut it like, the benefit of this is that you can cut it to be thick or to be thin. That's the goodness of this homemade pampas grass or feather like pampas grass. So we are going to cut it to make a feather like shape, and I'm not that accurate, but I think we can bring out something good. Yeah. And this is the final look. Kindly comment down below on what you think. How is it? How have I done it? And kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed, because I'll be bringing you more of this. And thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye, and let's meet on my next video.